We are what we repeatedly do. Think about that for a moment. Success is not built in a single day. Financial freedom is not created by a single decision. And extraordinary results rarely come from extraordinary actions. They come from ordinary actions repeated consistently over time. The habits you practice daily become the life you eventually live. If you repeatedly learn, you grow. If you repeatedly prospect, you create opportunities. If you repeatedly help people, you build trust. If you repeatedly take action, you create momentum. The difference between those who dream about success and those who achieve it is often found in the small disciplines they commit to every single day. Every phone call, every conversation, every follow-up, every lesson learned, every challenge overcome. These seemingly small actions compound over time, just like interest in a bank account. The truth is that greatness isn't something you do once. Greatness is something you do repeatedly. Your future is being created right now by the habits, choices, and actions you practice every day. So ask yourself, are your daily actions moving you closer to the life you want? Because the life you desire isn't built someday, it's built today. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income, and help customers save money every month without ever writing you a check, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.